Cleaning your oven door, both inside and out, is one of those often neglected tasks that can make a world of difference in your kitchen's appearance and hygiene. Over time, grease splatters, food drips, and steam can build up into a grimy film, clouding the glass and making it difficult to see inside the oven. The good news is, you don't need harsh chemicals or professional tools to get it looking brand new again. Just a bit of time, some basic household items, and a careful approach to avoid damaging the materials. Before beginning, make sure the oven is completely cool and turned off, and if it's been used recently, allow it ample time to cool down to room temperature. Click the link in the description below to get our 100% free top 10 cleaning products list, and our emergency speed cleaning checklist plus bonus. You will also get access to our free community, made for women. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Start with the outside of the oven door, as this is often the most visible part and can gather a surprising amount of smudges and fingerprints. Begin by dusting off any loose particles with a dry microfiber cloth to prevent scratching the glass surface. Then, mix a simple solution of equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. Spritz the mixture generously over the outer glass and surrounding metal frame, allowing it to sit for a few minutes to loosen grime. Use a clean, soft cloth to wipe the surface in circular motions, paying extra attention to areas around the handle where oils from your hands tend to accumulate. For stubborn spots or baked-on residue, sprinkle a bit of baking soda onto the damp cloth or directly onto the glass and gently scrub using non-abrasive pressure. Finish by buffing the glass with a dry microfiber towel for a streak-free shine that makes the door gleam like new. Next, move to the inside of the oven door, where things can get a bit messy. Open the oven door fully and lay a towel or an old sheet beneath it to catch any drips or debris. If there's a thick layer of grease or food splatter, it's best to start by scraping off any loose bits using a plastic scraper or an old gift card. Avoid using metal tools, which can scratch the glass and inner coating. Now, apply a cleaning paste made from baking soda and water, just enough to form a spreadable consistency. Use a sponge or soft brush to apply this paste across the inner glass and frame. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the paste will help break down grease and carbonized residue without the need for harsh chemical oven cleaners. After the paste has had time to work its magic, take a damp cloth and begin wiping it away, rinsing the cloth frequently to avoid smearing. You might need to go over the area a few times to remove all of the baking soda residue. If you encounter any stubborn grease spots still clinging to the surface, spray a little vinegar over them. The fizzing reaction between the vinegar and baking soda can help lift even the most stubborn grime. Be cautious around the oven's gasket or seal. You don't want to saturate or damage it, as it plays a crucial role in maintaining heat during baking. Once the interior glass is clean and clear, finish the process by giving the entire inside of the door a final wipe with a dry microfiber cloth to ensure no streaks or moisture are left behind. If your oven has a removable glass panel sandwiched between two layers of the door, you may have noticed streaks or crumbs trapped between the panes. Cleaning this area is a bit more involved, but entirely possible with a little extra care. Consult your oven's user manual to see if the inner glass panel can be accessed. Some models allow you to unscrew the door and carefully separate the glass layers. If your model allows for it, place the door on a padded surface like a towel-covered table and remove the necessary screws, gently lifting the top panel. Use a long, thin duster or a narrow vacuum attachment to remove debris from inside. Then wipe both sides of the glass with your vinegar solution, ensuring everything is completely dry before reassembling the door. Always handle the glass with care and reattach all screws securely when finished. To wrap up the cleaning process, give the surrounding area one final and thorough once-over. Use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe down the oven door's edges, the hinges, and the entire perimeter of the oven frame. These are often overlooked zones where grease, crumbs, and cooking residue tend to accumulate unnoticed. Over time, this hidden grime can easily transfer back to your freshly cleaned glass, undoing your hard work. Pay particular attention to the crevices where the door meets the oven body. These narrow spaces are magnets for buildup and can affect the smooth opening and closing of the door. If needed, use a soft bristled toothbrush or cotton swab to get into those tight areas without damaging the finish. For ovens equipped with a self-cleaning cycle, it's important to avoid engaging that function right after manual cleaning. Residual vinegar, baking soda, or other natural cleaning agents may still be present and could emit strong fumes or smoke when heated to high temperatures. Instead, leave the oven door ajar for an hour or so to allow it to air out fully. This not only ensures everything is dry but also helps prevent odors and gives your oven a fresh, clean scent. A spotless oven door not only enhances visibility when baking or roasting but also contributes to a more hygienic, inviting kitchen environment. To keep your oven door looking pristine in the long run, it helps to develop a simple, manageable cleaning routine. By incorporating a light wipe down into your weekly or bi-weekly kitchen chores, you can prevent grease and grime from accumulating into a stubborn, caked-on mess. A soft cloth and a mild cleaning spray are usually all you need to tackle minor smudges and splatters before they harden into something more difficult to remove. This proactive approach dramatically reduces the need for time-consuming deep cleans and protects the finish and functionality of your oven. Not only will your kitchen feel more polished and welcoming, but you'll also find yourself enjoying your time cooking and baking a little more. With your oven door now spotless both inside and out, you might even find yourself pausing for a second glance, admiring your reflection in the glass or watching a cake rise through the crystal-clear window. It's a small achievement, but one that adds a quiet sense of order and accomplishment to your day. Click the link below to get your free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and your free Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist. And join our free community,